iBlazer 2, we've optimized the physical design and made significant improvements to the electronic components. And now our flash became more functional and easy to use at the same time. There are new photo opportunities appearing with the new iBlazer 2. Now it can be paired via Bluetooth and work with the native iOS and Android photo application. We have added a sensory panel into iBlazer 2. You can now adjust the light temperature with its help. This will allow you to make your photos more professional, and it's become even more easy to use. Just double tap, and your picture is ready. We made a new mounting system for iBlazer 2. Smartphones and tablets clip with a silicone coating that will work with devices from 0.23 inches to 0.37 inches width and cold shoe for digital cameras. We have also enlarged iBlazer 2 possibilities in our new application. With its help, you will be able to synchronize several devices at once and set individual adjustments for each of them. Now your photos will be even more beautiful and brighter.
The Insta360 One X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the One X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is TimeShift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The One X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet Time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The One X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.